Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Cancers. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, for your daily energies, and I'll be picking two cards for your oracle guidance message, guys. So one card for your work situation and one card for your relationship, and we will turn the cards as we proceed into the reading. So these are for your daily energies, Cancers, and for your guidance message. So these cards will answer any questions or any deep thoughts you have regarding your relationship, or this is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. So we will open the cards now, Cancers. Letter, fox, ship, birds, choices. So Cancers, with these cards here, guys, you are getting many opportunities today in your work situation. You are getting choices, lots of choices and lots of things, maybe beginning some projects or some creative ventures maybe is coming towards you. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, you are afraid to venture out of your comfort zone to embrace these opportunities, whatever is coming towards you. So you are not ready to take up any opportunity. You are just thinking, waiting what you need to do. Maybe for some of you all, you may be communicating with your friends or family members, taking their suggestions about the situation, guys. And also you are getting some important communications today, something vital, something good, something positive, maybe some important paperwork, some contracts. So you may be getting some very positive news or announcements, guys, or it may be some personal form of communication, maybe from your person. If you are in a long distance relationship, this may be your person communicating with you through emails or greeting cards or postcards, something, a message of love, or messaging you about their feelings. So some form of communication is coming today, guys, is reaching you. And maybe for some of you all, you will have people in your work situation or in your family, somebody, they may be trying to trick you into certain decisions. They may try to manipulate you, involve you in some kind of fraudulent financial schemes, or trying to deceive you some way, maybe financially. You should be really careful, beware of those people, guys. So somebody acting as a friend out front, but they may have bad motives, bad intentions towards you. So you need to be clear of those people. So whatever choices that you is there before you, so whatever choice you make, whatever opportunities that are coming before you, is not something good or bad. It is just a choice. So these choices, whatever comes out of it, it will be your efforts, based on your efforts. So if you do, if you put in great efforts, you will reach great success. So now these choices are not good or bad. So these are just choices, opportunities, whatever is coming your way. So you don't have to feel stressed to make that choice. That is what I see here. So the general energy here is that, guys, some important communication, maybe messages of love coming your way, guys. That is what I see here. So let us see what is the oracle's guidance for your career situation. Blessed. With this card, Cancers, the energy is that something wonderful coming your way, guys. We saw some important message with this card, some announcement maybe. Maybe it may relate to your work situation. So something unexpected, unforeseen gift is coming, guys. So it may be a gift in your career situation, something you are really fortunate to have. Out of the blue it is coming towards you. So good fortune. So you need to be really happy today, guys. Whatever difficulties or obstacles that you had in your work situation, all those are just going to disappear, and you are getting ready to receive this gift that is coming towards you, this window of opportunity. Whatever that is right at your doorstep. So accept these blessings with humility and gratitude for how things are going, guys, how things are manifesting. So all that you have desired is coming towards you. So you no longer need to feel a stress or troubles because of that. So whatever you require is right there with you. It's going to be there with you. So you feel really blessed today. That's what I see here in your career situation. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. Clean it up. So with this card, guys, the energy is that whatever that you do not need in your life, you should clear that up. So everything has a energetic body. So when we clutter things, maybe literally in our household, we occupies so much room, it will overwhelm us. So we need to make room, clear our house. So some people may benefit from those articles, whatever we do not need. So we need to free ourselves from that. So whatever we do not need, we need to clear it up, give it up, guys. So even in your relationship, so whatever things you do not need, maybe your past hurts, arguments, or certain disagreements, whatever you had, you need to clean that up in your relationship, give up that baggage. When you do that, you will start fresh. You will make room for yourself, make room for this relationship to flourish. So this is the time to clear your mind, clean all that old stuff, and welcome the new energetic energy in your minds, guys. That is what is the oracle's guidance. So if you are separated from your past person, you should give up those hurtful memories. But if you are in a relationship with this person, you should give up those bad memories that you have in this relationship, maybe regarding some quarrels, arguments, whatever it is. So you need to give that up to start fresh today, to start it just like you did the first day of your relationship. When you do that, you will make this relationship flourish. So that is the oracle's guidance here for you all, Cancers, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. Thanks again. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Cancers.